Is your HP DeskJet 4252e printer not printing? Don't worry, just follow these simple methods. Method 1. Manually reset your printer. Step 1. While your printer is still on, unplug the power cord from the back. Step 2. Disconnect the other end of the power cord from the power outlet and wait for 60 seconds. Step 3. After 60 seconds, plug the power cord back into the printer, and the power plug into the outlet to automatically reset your printer. Now, check if your printer is printing. If not, just move on to the next method. Method 2. Set printer as default printer. Step 1. Click on the Start menu. Step 2. Type printers and scanners in the search bar and select Open. Step 3. Scroll down to let Windows manage my default printer and uncheck the box. Step 4. Scroll back up, select your printer from the list, and click on Manage. Step 5. Click on Set as Default. Is your printing issue still persisting? No worries, try updating your printer driver to fix it. Method 3. Update your printer driver. Step 1. Go to the HP support page in your browser. Step 2. Click on the Software and Drivers tab. Step 3. Select Printer. Step 4. On the next page, type HP DeskJet 4252e in the search box and click on Submit. Step 5. Under Driver Product Installation Software, click on Download and install the driver. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such help and information. Or visit us at www.printertales.com. Call us at 1-857-557-6884. 441615184781.